Hey guys, just want to give you a quick overview of an HTML scribeware report, and specifically I just want to look at the sequencing of information. And the idea I want to get across here is that a really well sequenced report can work for the busy executive that has 5 minutes to look at the report, or the retired engineer that wants to keep finding more information. So if you're the busy executive, you've got an overview statement here that's just like puts everything into perspective. Overall, this is a 1985 era house, above average for age and type, or needs a bunch of work. You can put that kind of overview statement. And then really quickly, we could click on the major concerns. Well, what are we really concerned about? And that jumps right out to the front. If they wanted to, they could read the repair items, but really quickly, maybe even the recommended maintenance items. You can see how these items, without all the media and everything, you could print this out onto a couple of pages. So the executive summary can be very condensed. The more you get into these different modifiers, there might be improvement items and due diligence items that additional research is needed for. So the things kind of unfold. You'll notice at the very top of the report, the end user can print to a bunch of different summary pages. So if you want a condensed summary only PDF, or the full PDF, or even use a request list builder, which lets the end user create a custom PDF of just items they want to ask for. So those are all sort of abbreviated versions. When we get into the complete inspection report, you start getting a sense of how things unfold more for the retired engineer. Here we've got a lot of just what we call descriptive items that are background information. This is a lead and asbestos comment. We've got the descriptive pull downs that might be describing the building. That's following a lot of our SOP stuff that the inspector shall describe: the clearance to grade, the downspout discharge, that kind of stuff. And you'll notice when we kind of scroll through quickly that the color coded things with the pictures pop out, and the CYA type stuff fades into the background more. Plenty of room to put just overview shots like exterior elevation images, and you can see how the retired engineer client can start taking deep dives where we have illustrations for lateral load connections. You could click on a link and get a blog about floor cantilevers. So all kinds of different options here for the retired engineer client that wants to just keep digging in deep and finding more and more information. We also have streaming videos, so the end user can watch videos of things, and that allows the inspector to describe a lot of more complicated findings. So I hope this overview is helpful. It just shows how, again, I think with HTML reports, the idea of how long the report is almost irrelevant. You can mold the length of the report and sequence information so that really the report is as long or as short as the client wants to engage with it. And of course, if it comes to the client's attorney reading it, then you've got all of the layers of information that are really important. All right, thanks for watching.